Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are working with orchids again, and I want to show you the most important thing to do when choosing an orchid at a grocery store. So when you go into a grocery store, there's tons of orchids, or when you go into a garden center, there's tons of orchids to choose from. How do you know which one is right, which one is healthy? So first thing you want to do is look at the leaves and make sure only maybe the oldest leaves are droopy. Just like this. They're still stiff, but if the whole plant was drooping like that, I would probably leave it alone. But that's just on the surface. Anybody can look at that. What you really want to do, and you might be a little bit shy doing this, but you want to take the plant itself, and they always seem to come in these little containers. And you know what? Even if there's moss in there, you're paying a premium dollar for a plant. You need to remove it from the pot. You need to remove it from the display pot that it's in, and you need to check the roots out. So this plant here, I've had for a little bit, about a year, and honestly, you know what happened? You can see how the roots are way up here, and the pot's down here, and it looks like they should be like 2 inches lower in the pot. It's because in the beginning I checked the roots on this, and I didn't put it back in the pot properly, and then it kind of grew down a little further, and the roots were always up here. But you want to check the pot, and you want to have 80 to 90% healthy roots when you start. So if you don't know what healthy roots are, they may have active growing tips like this. I left this. I didn't try to cut any unhealthy roots off this. I want to show you guys like really how it may look. Here's a very dead root. It's papery and thin, and inside you'll get this little tiny piece here. It's very hard to break, but it's all papery on the outside, and there's just a thin little piece here, and that is a dead root. So again, we're looking for 90% good roots here. So when we turn this around, there's lots of new growth. New growth when it's dark is not, like when it's in a pot, is not going to be the same color as when it's out of the pot, right? So don't worry about the color so much, but worry about the feel. Papery, thin, easy to rip, rotten maybe. And you can even trace these guys back and see I just took one right off. But for the most part, this plant has a decent root on it. Lots of roots. There's another dead one here. So that's what a dead root would look like. You want to stay away from them if they're dead. Now I can't go one step further because the roots have come out the bottom here. But if the roots haven't come out the bottom, I want you to take this pot right off and have a look and poke around. Take that extra minute to do that with the plant that you think you like, or that you think you want to buy. It is going to save you months and months or years and years of potentially a sick orchid, or trying to save an orchid that has rotten roots that you need to help it recover. I'm not saying that you can't make it recover, but if there's one thing you need to do before you buy an orchid from a store is check the roots. It is my #1 rule. As beautiful as the flowers are no good if there's no roots on the plant. It's just going to be a rescue mission, and you'll get the lovely flowers that it has, but you're not going to get any further flowers in the future. So anyways, guys, if this is your first time at my channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button and the little bell there so you don't miss anything. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you do subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.